Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to go over how to solve simple tax problems. On the screen, I have written down a simple tax problem. Let's read that. Tom wants to buy a book that costs $50. If there is a 10% tax on the book, how much will Tom have to pay in total? So what we want to do first is we want to identify the important values here. So we notice the first important value is $50. And that is the original cost of the book. So let's write that down. So the original cost of the book is $50. The next important value we see is 10%, and that's the tax on the book. So let's write that down. Tax on the book is 10%. Now that we've identified these two values, we can solve this problem in 2 steps. So step 1, we're going to take the original cost of the book, $50, and we're going to multiply that by the tax on the book, which is 10%. So we need to compute 50 times 10%. Okay, so you're either going to convert 10% into a decimal and multiply that by 50, or you're going to convert 10% into a fraction and multiply that by 50. So let's go ahead and do both ways. So we could do 50 times 0.1, and that would give us 5. So we know the tax is $5. Or we can do 50 times 10 over 100 as a fraction, right? Or 10 hundredths. And this would also give us 5. So from step 1, we know that the tax is $5. Okay, then for step 2, all we need to do is we need to take the original cost of the book, which is $50, and add our $5 tax to that. So 50 plus 5 is 55. So the new cost of the book, or the new total of the book, is $55. So once again, we identified the important values in our problem, 50 and 10. Then we multiplied 50 times 10%, and we ended up with $5. And then we added that $5 to the original price, which was 50. And that was our step 2. So once again, we ended up with $55. So we know Tom needs to pay $55 in total for the book. And we are finished.